Alright, I got the pile of boxes moved. And we got roofers. Roof. We got roofers. Got this first section shucked off already. Working on the next section. It's actually looking pretty good. It's looking a lot better than I expected it to. So that's good. Hopefully we'll have less plywood to replace than I anticipated, but we shall see. And I may not have to do it. The contractor said that since we already got the material, these guys will do it. Or their boss, who should be on his way with materials. They didn't get started quite as bright and early as they anticipated. They were talking like 7 a.m., but it's almost 9, I guess, at this point. They are getting after it. Good progress, good progress. In about 20 minutes or so. Since the last little clip. Hey, cool. That little spot I was worried about looks like the freaking plywood just popped up, and maybe it's not rotten. Right there. Cool deal. Good stuff. Alright, got all the shingles and stuff shucked off on this side. We're putting in a couple little patches. But the rest of it looks a whole lot better than I expected to see under there. Moving right along. Last little patch on this side going in. New paper coming down already.
I had one that didn't work that well.
Boys are just rocking right along. More than half of this side already papered up. Boys are just blowing and going. You got this side all papered up. Got a little spot over there where they have some material staged. Getting her done. Shingles are going on. Had them a good lunch and are just back at it blowing and going. And they will be done today. Getting their pattern laid out. Moving right along. Boys are getting it done. Look at that, straight lines and everything. That whole section pretty much already done. Boys are getting it. They've been blowing and going back here too. Just about done with this one over the garage. Yeehaw. Alright, looks like they're all done over the garage, and most of this section, and they are starting the runners on the last section over here. Boys are quick. Just about got it buttoned up. Over the garage is all done. This section here is pretty much all done. They're getting this little last section over here just about all done. Rocking and rolling. All right. He done shut the air compressor off. New roof installed.